If you are dropshipping in the UK, or even just thinking about starting, this video could be a complete game changer. Why? Well, because the supplier you choose can literally decide if your store takes off or crashes. The right supplier means faster shipping, high profit margins, and products your customers actually want. And the wrong ones, delay, bad reviews, and wasted time. So in this video, I'll break down the exact suppliers that UK dropshippers are using successfully right now. Alright, let's dive in right now. Let's kick things off with a supplier that needs no introduction, Amazon UK. When it comes down to dropshipping in the UK, Amazon is one of the most powerful suppliers you can use, whether you're running an eBay store or your own Shopify shop. And here's why. Prime shipping advantage. Well, with Amazon Prime, your customers can get millions of products delivered in just 1 to 2 days, sometimes even the next day. That speed is a huge selling point when you're competing on platforms like eBay, where fast delivery builds trust and boosts your seller rating. Simply look for the Prime logo on the product page on Amazon, and if you see it, that means that the product comes with fast shipping and upgraded customer service. Another great point is massive product selection. So from electronics and home goods to clothing, seasonal items, Amazon UK offers an endless variety. Whatever niche you're in, chances are that you will find products here that will fit perfectly. Customer service handled for you. Well, for Prime eligible items, Amazon takes care of customer service. That means if your buyer has, any issue with you or with the product, well, Amazon's support steps in, make your dropshipping operation much smoother. And the nice part is that you can contact Amazon's customer service via chat and get an immediate solution to anything related to your order. Now, here's a pro tip. When you start scaling and start processing a high volume of orders, it's smart to open multiple buyer accounts. Keeping each account at around 5 to 10 orders per day helps avoid problems with order limitations and keeps everything running smoothly. And here's the real advantage for UK sellers. By using Amazon UK, you're guaranteed local delivery speed. Instead of waiting weeks for international shipping, your customers can get their orders in just a couple of days, helping you compete directly with the big UK-based sellers. Now, what's the real best part? Instead of guessing what might sell, you can start using Zik Analytics to shortcut the process. Just set your quick settings accordingly to match your UK search. And Zik will instantly show you which items your competitors are already having success with. That way, you're not starting from scratch. You're listing proven products that are already in demand, giving you a much higher chance of making consistent sales. When it comes to dropshipping in the UK, Amazon isn't just a well-known brand. It's one of the most reliable and profitable suppliers you can partner with. Now that we have covered Amazon UK, let's just move to another fantastic local supplier that's perfect if your store leans towards home and lifestyle products, and that's Wayfair UK. Wayfair is a giant in the home goods market, and in the UK side, it gives you access to millions of products ranging from furniture and lighting to home decor, appliances, and outdoor essentials. If your niche involves anything related to home living, Wayfair UK is a gold mine, and here's why it works so well for dropshipping. It has a massive selection. With millions of items available, you can easily build a specialized store or mix in home products alongside other niches. Then they have very competitive prices and frequent sales. It's well known for running deals and seasonal promotions, which means you can source products at lower costs and keep your profit margins healthy, very healthy. Flexible payment options. They accept major credit, debit cards, PayPal, and even financing solutions, making it convenient for both you and your customers. They also have a very strong customer service and returns. Wayfair UK provides excellent customer support via phone, chat, or email, and they offer a 30-day return policy with prepaid return labels, making the buyer experience smooth for us sellers. When dealing with some issues that our buyers communicated to us, and that happens all the time. Let me give you a pro tip. Although Wayfair's quality control is strong, always check individual product reviews before listing. They are still a retail supplier, and this ensures that you're not only dropshipping items with positive feedback and high customer satisfaction. So if you're looking to add reliable, high-quality home goods to your catalog, Wayfair UK is a supplier you definitely want to test out. Now, next up, let's talk about a supplier that's making a huge impact in the UK e-commerce scene, OnBuy. This is UK's very own online marketplace and is also one of the fastest growing platforms in Europe. Here's why OnBuy is such a strong option for dropshippers. It's UK-based sellers, so most products ship directly within the UK, which means your customers enjoy fast delivery without the long waiting times you would get from international suppliers. They have a massive variety of products. OnBuy covers almost every catalog imaginable, from electronics, fashion, and toys to home goods and DIY tools. Look, this gives you plenty of room to test out many niches. Warehouses across Europe. OnBuy also has sellers and distribution centers located throughout Europe, not just the UK. This opens opportunities to test out other European marketplaces, since you can offer reliable delivery across borders without relying only on long international shipping routes. They also have a cashback perks. Well, this is pretty interesting because another great benefit of sourcing from OnBuy is that you may receive cashback on your purchases. So this can add up over time, give you an extra boost to your profit margins on top of the sales that you already have. When it comes to shipping, here's how it usually works. Products sourced from UK sellers ship directly within the country, typically arriving 2 to 5 days. If the product is being sent from an EU warehouse, well, delivery times can range from 5 to 10 working days, which is still good. Most of the time it's still faster than many suppliers that ship internationally. Okay guys, so we just went over the top 3 local UK suppliers that can help you scale your dropshipping business faster. Before we move on to the international suppliers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping strategies to boost your sales. And if you want to boost your product research, you can use Zik Analytics for only $1 for the first week. Now, let's take a look at some suppliers that we can use to sell internationally. For the first one, I'm going with AliExpress. When it comes to sourcing products for your dropshipping store, AliExpress has been a cornerstone for years, and for good reason. It connects you to thousands of sellers offering just about anything you can imagine, making it one of the easiest way to test new products and scale your inventory without much upfront risk. Now, AliExpress isn't just a single supplier. It's a global marketplace, similar to Amazon. That means quality and delivery speed can vary depending on the seller. In the past, this was one of the biggest challenges dropshippers faced: long shipping times and inconsistent standards. But here's the good news. AliExpress has evolved. With faster shipping options, curated product programs, and higher seller requirements, it's becoming far more reliable for dropshippers than it used to be. What makes AliExpress dropshipper friendly are the following points. It's a huge variety of products. You can find almost anything here. It's really what AliExpress is known for: an insane number of products to select from. Also, AliExpress Choice Program. Well, instead of digging through endless listings, this program highlights products that have already been vetted for quality, seller reliability, and delivery speed. It's basically a shortcut to finding items that customers are more likely to be happy with. For instance, here's a product example. Look at this. Because it carries the yellow choice badge, it comes with special shipping benefits. Orders over £10 ship completely free, while items under £10 only cost £199 to deliver. Even though there are some cases that the shipping is also for free with an item under $10, okay? And they also have improved shipping times. Some products can now arrive in 7 to 12 days instead of 30, 60 days, which is great to have and compete internationally. So look at the product that we were looking at before, the shoes, okay? Look at that. It has shipping time of 7 to 12 days, just like I mentioned. You see? Now, Always make sure that you're choosing sellers with strong ratings and positive reviews. That's the key of keeping product quality high and the customers satisfied. The seller should at least have 90% rating and sell at least for 3 years on the platform so that we can guarantee the best service possible. To check that, you just have to scroll down here in the listings. You see that? Normally until the end. See? Until it ends right here, and then you have the seller's information right here. It's going to appear to you. Just like our seller here that has a 97.7% rating. One of the biggest advantages of AliExpress is its flexibility. It works with every major platform, whether you're dropshipping on eBay, running a Shopify store, or using WooCommerce. AliExpress fits right in. Many successful sellers, especially on Shopify, even rely on it as their primary supplier. With millions of products, low prices, and global reach, it's a proven way to build and scale a store. Honestly, for beginners, it's one of the easiest places to start, earning a solid 5 stars in my opinion. Now, you want to see something cool? AliExpress and Zik are like best friends. They are completely connected to provide you with the most accurate search on the best products to list in your store, which makes it even easier for you to scale. Let me show you an example. First off, open Zik right here like this and make sure that your quick settings are set correctly. Okay, if not, select shipping location, China, and for supplier, simply choose AliExpress. Like this. Then on the market insights page, you will have the best dropshippers that are using AliExpress as a supplier. You just select one that catches your eye, and then you got a competitor to analyze and snipe products. So pro tip here, I strongly advise you that every time you find a seller that you like, you should always click here on Save Seller. Then write something like, I don't know, like great AliExpress seller, great profits, something like this, because this way that seller will be saved in your competitor's list and you know exactly where he is next time you need him. All right. The point here is to visit his store, at least once in 2 weeks to check some new products to snipe from my store. If you have some of these competitors, you can easily find products with proof of sale consistently with much less work. Now, in this case, this seller is crushing it. Check it out. Zik tells me that I found the same exact product selling on AliExpress for only $8.09, and we would be selling this product for around $18.90. That's an almost 36% profit margin, leaving us with basically $7 per sale. Now, let me show you another one very fast. These right here are Golf Iron set. You see that? The seller has priced this item at $789.99, and it was sold 2 times in the past 30 days and 6 times since it was listed on eBay. I would be able to source this product for only $318.15. So I would end up with a profit of $313.54 per sale. It means that this dropshipper made over $600 in the past 30 days and over $1,900 since listed this product on eBay. If you want to check out a full guide on AliExpress, please check out this video right here. It's going to be here and in the description, all right? Because the next on the list is CJ Dropshipping, one of the most powerful international suppliers you can work with. Unlike marketplaces such as AliExpress, CJ functions more like a partner supplier, offering tools and features built specifically for dropshippers. And here's why CJ really stands out. It has UK warehouses. One of the biggest advantages is that CJ holds inventory in the UK. You understand that? So this means that your customers don't have to wait weeks for international deliveries. Many items can be delivered in just 2 to 5 working days, which gives you a huge edge on eBay and other platforms that value fast shipping. Also, CJ offers a massive catalog that covers just about everything. Fashion, electronics, beauty, home goods, gadgets, and much more. Whatever niche you're in, chances are that you will find products here that fit perfectly. And they also have automation tools. This is where CJ shines, okay? Their system integrates directly with platforms like eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce, and others. Orders can be fulfilled automatically. So when a customer buys from your store, the order goes straight to CJ, and they handle the rest. It's easy. No manual processing, no wasted time. And they also have custom branding options. I'm serious. Another great feature is that CJ allows for private labeling and custom packaging. If you want to build a brand around your dropshipping store, this is a fantastic way to stand out from the competitors who only sell or resell generic products. And the nice part is you can even start with a minimum custom branding order of just 1 unit without committing to a bulk order. Overall, CJ Dropshipping is perfect if you're serious about scaling and automating your store. It combines the product variety of a larger marketplace with the professional systems of a dedicated supplier. And with the UK-based warehouses, you get all the benefits of fast local delivery while still having access to their global catalog. But here's something that makes CJ even more valuable. It isn't just a retail supplier. It can also function as your wholesale partner. This is a big deal for eBay sellers because if you ever face an MC11 case, you can provide a CJ dropshipping invoice, and in most cases, that's enough to win. That kind of security is something you don't always get with standard retail suppliers. For me, that's actually one of the biggest benefits of using CJ. Right? The rest is quite similar to AliExpress, huge variety, competitive pricing, and international reach, but way smaller product selection. Alright guys, we have covered most of the international suppliers that ship to the UK. Before I reveal the final one, if you found this video useful, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on your e-commerce journey. Alright, I really appreciate that. Okay, let's go to the last supplier. Final supplier we have is Temu. You know, the newcomer that's quickly turning to a serious player in the dropshipping world. What makes Temu such a great option is quite simple. Let's go over the options. It has super low prices. Temu, like AliExpress, offers good deals and low prices on products, which means higher margins for you and better deals for your customers. Massive product range. Yes, definitely. From home goods and clothing to gadgets and accessories, Temu's catalog gives you endless opportunities to test different niches. Of course, it's not just some random product. For you to have the best products, you just have to come up right here on the top left, and then you see here the best selling products. You see that? They're improving UK shipping. Temu has been expanding into the UK, and many products now ship much faster than before, arriving in about, maximum like 9 days instead of weeks. This makes it far more dropshipping friendly. Look at this example that I found right here, guys. Look at this. The product rating and reviews before scaling. But with prices this low and a growing UK reach, Temu is definitely worth adding to your list of suppliers. So there you have it, the 6 best suppliers for dropshipping in the UK, from trusted giants like Amazon UK and Wayfair to growing marketplaces like OnBuy and international powerhouses such as AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping and Temu. You now have a full toolkit of suppliers to build and scale your business. But remember, knowledge without action doesn't move you forward. So start testing these suppliers, use the data tools like Zik Analytics to find proven winning products, and put them into action in your own store. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.